So we just left Sayre, Oklahoma, where we were staying at Bobcat Creek RV. If you've never been there, it's a really nice and clean location. They have about 20 gravel pull-through spots that are full hookup, and with a Good Sam discount, it was $37 a night. So for one night, that was fantastic, especially since we just slept. Oh yes, very quiet, very clean. You couldn't have nicer people directing you and getting you to your spot. And they offered a catfish dinner to be delivered that night. We didn't partake because we were ready to go to bed.
Ready to go to sleep.
Cranky children.
Cranky.
A cranky Bob. So we are in Bernalillo, New Mexico, which is just north of Albuquerque. We are staying at the, the North Albuquerque Bernalillo KOA. And nice campground, always really nice people. It's clean and quiet. They have a nice playground with some new equipment on it. They have two dog parks. Yeah, they've got a puppy park. Y'all like playing at the puppy park, don't you?
Hey, Katie, look out of your window. What is on the ground?
Oh, there's some snow here. We missed the snow, so a little sad about that. Hopefully we'll get to see some more. They have a few little bitty cabins. Let's see if we can see just one or two of those. Little bitty shack cabins. They're adorable.
Propane.
And propane. You can have your propane filled while you're here.
Turn it around and you can see the
And then here's the office
mountains.
and the mountains. Yeah. Great mountain view. It's beautiful.
But right now we're going to
The car wash.
the car wash.
Because Bobby has to find a car wash
There's
everywhere
a little
we
bit of snow
go.
right there. I may need to put it in four-wheel drive.
Stop it.
Oh, I gotta do my car wash. Car wash.
Everywhere we go, we have to find a car wash.
Here goes the adventure.
And then we're gonna see if we can find some trails or something to take Nick Cooper on and the kiddos, get them out and about. Maybe see some things that we don't normally see in Arkansas or any of the surrounding states of there that we never get to experience. But these mountains are absolutely beautiful. I've never, I mean, besides North Carolina, I don't think I've ever felt this small. It's just so vast. It feels like it's so close and yet it's so far away.
Right?
No, just go.
Why?
Because Grandpa. Because Grandpa Dad.
So the dog has a little gas.
It's awful.
Y'all smell that?
I smell you, lemon.
It's awful.
It smells great.
It's awful.
Let's see if this car wash takes off the fenders of my dually. Hopefully not. Okay, so I may have just messed up.
It's a booby trap.
I don't need your commentary. So I got in the car wash, and it appears to be washing the truck, the long dually. Seems to be doing a great job, but here's my problem. I don't think I can get out. I'll let you know how it goes.
What will we do?
I don't know.
But before.
I can't see on the cameras.
Back up.
I think we got this. Oh, I blew my gas lid off. Or open.
Means back up.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, that's
Yes.
my favorite one. I want
I'm feeling faint. Okay.
How do you feel, Bob?
I feel terrible.
the hairy monster.
Dualies welcome. Yes. If they have rear steer, they're welcome completely. Okay. I gotta go back to the camper and potty.
Daddy.
That made me. I'm done. Okay. All right. What trail are we on? What trail is this? The Petroglyph?
Desert.
The desert. We're on the desert trail per Katie. Sorry about my mask beard.
Yeah.
We had some people on the trail, so we had to put a mask on per requirements. But
Yeah. It's been about 1 hour or something.
it's been an hour.
The Rinconada Canyon Trail.
Oh, they go down here.
The what? The
Rinconada
Rinconada.
Rinconada
Rinconada.
Canyon
Trail.
Park Trail. Messed that up.
Canada.
It's a pretty cool place. All the
Canada.
petroglyphs. Am I saying that right? Petroglyphs?
Petroglyphs.
Petroglyphs. Petroglyphs look cool. Do you like the petroglyphs, kiddo?
See.
So, we're back in the sun. I'll try to
That
block
means
it a
yes
little
in
bit.
Spanish.
It does, doesn't it?
Good job.
But it's free parking, free trail. Dogs are obviously allowed. And it's a really cool bit of history. I don't know if you can see my face. How about this? It's a really cool piece of history, seeing all the petroglyphs. Anyways, it's a 2.2 mile trail. We're headed back now because the gates are fixing to close. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.